Okay, welcome our viewers. This is a Shanbrew chicks, and this is day 7, as we promised you yesterday, that we are going to give the vaccination, the NewCastle vaccination. And as you can see, we have started. The vaccination is going on. We doing the vaccination. That's Sharon, and that's Bruce. The vaccination is going on, and members, we are taking you through this process as we continue. And I want you to be so keen to see how the process is being done. That's Sharon, and she's doing it very well. So far we have done like 100 chicks, and as I told you, we have got 200. We have got 200 chicks, so that means we have amended around 100. So as we continue the process, we shall update you as the process goes through. So that's what we have so far. That we don't want to mix it. We don't want to mix with those which you have not done. So the process continues as we do. The one we do it, we put it in. The one we do, we put it in a carton so that they don't mix with others. Yes, as you can see, those are the cartons. But the process is going on. It's just a drop. Just a drop in a knife. Just one drop in a knife. Yes, just one drop in an eye and it's done. As you can see, the heat is still on. The heat must be 24 hours in a day. So that means this bulb, I don't know if you can see it. This bulb, this is an infrared bulb. The moment, since the time we brought these chicks in here, this bulb has never gone off. It is at 275 watts, which this is the bulb that we use to provide heat. Apart from this bulb, we have got others. The